Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Ometv country in Android. So here, if you don't have Ometv, you can search on Play Store. Currently I'm using Android phone. So here you can open the Ometv. This is like a video chat alternative. You can randomly chat with someone from other country. You can connect with over 1 million mobile users and over 100,000 visitors chatting online day and night. So you can launch this video chat, download for free and install into your Android device. And here, if you already installed, don't forget to update this app. So let's open this Ometv. Don't forget to sign in account. You can use a Facebook or a VK if you have. So here you can change gender, and also this is how you can change the country. You can tap the option, and here you can choose all country if you want to get random uh, someone from other country, or you can use your base country, for example from United and so on. So from Argentina until the Venezuela, you can try to search your random friend to random chat online. And also if you want to change your base country, you can use VPN. So you can go back to the Play Store in order to install the VPN. So here let's try to search the VPN. So there are some VPN out there, for example like Turbo VPN, Super VPN, Thunder VPN, and so on. Try to search the trusted one, like 100 million user that already download the VPN itself. So in VPN you can try to change the country through the VPN, and then after you install and connect with the new country, the new server, you can reopen the Ometv and see if your base country is changed based on VPN server that you chose before. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.